minutes and seconds. So if you want to see in degrees and minutes, so press any one side button, sir. So now it is in degrees and minutes. So if you want to fix our coordinates in terms of degrees and minutes and seconds, so go to side button and press long press on enter. Now go to bottom button, sir. So now it is edited. So if you want to fix A21 point, so on A press enter. So for 21 to fix 2 and 1. After fixing the coordinate name, so go to OK. So then it is the complete row is completed, sir. Then go to bottom one, dated row. So no need to fix the date column, it is a default fixed, sir. So then go to coordinate column. So press enter to edit that row. So 17 degrees, 26 minutes. If you want to fix 25 minutes something, so press the top and bottom buttons, sir. So some 13.2. Similarly, use this side button, sir, beside of this menu button. So easting 78 degrees, 21 minutes something. So 9.7. By using top and bottom buttons only, we can fix the coordinates, sir. So after completing the after completing the coordinate, then press enter, sir. So the row job is completed. So come to bottom one, sir. So after on OK press enter, sir. So now coordinate fixed with the name of A21, sir. So if you want to go for A21, press go to. So by using bottom button waypoint enter. So fix A21 point, we given the coordinates, sir. So 21 is already given, sir. So on OK press, sir. So it is the row bar is on A21, sir. Then press enter, sir. So the coordinate is we are selecting the waypoint for A21, sir. Then go to page. So we can see the different types of pages, sir. First page, second page. This is the location where we